It's not secret. So selling spiritual truths and techniques for money, to me, smacks of commercialism. You know, for so much money, I'll tell you the secret. Yeah, I'll tell you the secret for nothing. You want to hear the secret? Ask me. I'll tell you. I won't charge anything. Like goes to like. What you hold in mind tends to manifest. Da-da-da-da. Let go of attraction and aversion. I just give you about $1,000 worth of trainings. That's right. 1,000 and up. 1,000 and up. That's all they amount to. A very simple spiritual obviousness. And they can it. Then you have classes in it. You sign up people for classes, and you get so many merits for signing up people for classes. Then you present the same thing, only under a different rubric: how to make money, how to have fun with your sex, how to find lovers. And you just relabel it. It's all the same basic, something. What's hold in mind tends to manifest. How much do you want to pay for that? I just gave it to you for nothing. What you hold in mind tends to manifest. Is that a secret? Hasn't been a secret for a couple of 1,000 years that I know of. That's what you call merchandising packaging. The Magic Power Lectures. So we could advertise, these are the Magic Power Lectures. The Magic Power Lectures. Tells you how to become rich, famous, and enlightened all at the same time.